How to log out Telegram on your iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the family. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can log out Telegram on iPhone. So just make sure to watch this very video till the end. So you might have the Telegram app installed, you are logged into one of your accounts, maybe you want to log out, you want to sign into some other accounts depending upon whatever your reason may be. It's quite different to log out from the Telegram app. So in order to figure out where this option is, what you want to do is first of all, just go ahead and launch Telegram. And as you launch Telegram, tap the settings icon or also the gear looking icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen, and then you'll come to this page over here. So under this page, no matter wherever you go, you can see I don't have the logout button at all. So where is the logout button? Well, it's actually hidden. To find the logout button, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find the edit button. So just tap on the edit button from the top right. Then you want to scroll down to the very bottom. If you look here, you have this red icon that says log out. All you have to do is tap on log out. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Do you want to log out? Before you try to log out, there are some other things that you can do, such as adding another account and easily switch between them. So you don't necessarily need to log out. You can just simply add another account, or you can set the password, clear the cache. If you want to ignore this, that's fine. Just tap on log out, log into some other accounts as you wish. And this is it for today's video on how you can log out of Telegram app on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.